I am Gajendra Sharma. First of all, I would like to my respected mentor, Mr. Deepak Sir, to express my views. Uh, this story is of a 9-year refugee girl that I am going to tell you about a story. This story refers to a 9-year girl, a refugee girl. This is a real story of Indian history, and when our country got freedom on 15th August 1947, our country was divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. Many people left India and go to Pakistan, and many people left Pakistan and came to India. 9 million people left to Pakistan and came to India for the fear of religion. These were poor people when they start, and they were more poorer when they came to India, and these were the refugee person. William C. Douglas was the judge of Supreme Court of America. The British government had sent him India for to know the feelings of Indian people after independence. William C. Douglas came to India in 1950, and he started his visit by a local train, because at that time in India there was local trains. The train stopped at every station, so William C. Douglas came down at the platform and tried to find such a person who could speak English. This was the time of British, so the people knows English some. And when he find out a person who could speak English, they talked about the current affairs of those days. They talked about the major topics of those days, as the writer was trying to know about the feelings of Indian people after independence. The British government had sent to William C. Douglas for knowing the feelings of Indian people after independence. William C. Douglas was a British man, was a judge of Supreme Court of America. When he came to India, he did not like Indian people, he did not like India, only he came to India for an official work. He talked to the pupil, he saw the pupil at the platform, he saw that there is very poverty in India. The pupil are not wearing proper clothes, they are wearing white garments only, they are barefoot, they are very poor. So, but at one station, William C. Douglas could not talk to the pupil. It was interpreted by a group of children. These were refugee children. These were selling baskets. They gathered around the writer, because the writer was looking very charming, because he was an Englishman wearing good clothes, and the children saw a good market in him. So they were around him and were crying to take our things. The writer could not understand what they were saying, but could understand the feeling of these children, and he bought some baskets of these children, some fans, and then he saw a 9-year girl standing in front of him, and he saw he was full of pity. Balancing his baskets and fans, he took some money from his pocket and put in his basket, but the girl that was not wearing so good clothes, and she has no manners, she was very poor, gave back all the money to the writer. Now the writer had to buy all the money, and he was very much impressed by that girl. That after his journey, he talked to the Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. At this time, India's first Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he told him that he was very much affected by that girl, and only that girl has shown him the warm soul of India. And he was so much impressed that he was fell in love with India. Okay, thank you.